Ngorwa gusi habwo bono bakoria ebirogo ao byoborai bosio bochorio bonane bori bosio mwako gocha naboigo kumwakira kubose kumurigeria chikoro mu Rwanda rwekergo kyoborai bwense gwetera se kiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i aserombe ekoro kwa Linda Matiang'i nigori tukoria rero aba oyo korie kergo kyobojumbe asense mu bunge ya Bonchari mwakili Cliff Ombeta aligania abarayabo himeyense mo ya Nyamokenya ewodi ya ebose ewodi ya Bonchari bunge ya Bonchari kutoka se county ya Kisii. Sebono abarayabo bakorogwa na Murara Kibaso Dr. Joseph Birundu negatia baraibanda bange baikira na sensemeyo bagikire serikali ya Kenya kwanza hasokoria eira yokomo asibarire eira yogochia kumurigeria na kumusira umusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i muri kitopetho el machini no arenga sayo Robert Roya Senchero Wekero
Abarai ao bakuriye birogo wetera se kiama ya Jubilee nigol sikrerero banyaka bahusangirekana asensemo ya Nyamokenya imeyebunge ya Bonchari bakura wano yokuriye kero kyobochumba sebunge yo wakili Cliff Ombeta ero kumurigeria omoske Matiang'i chikura
Korange kiare ganyara kubate kura korango kiare
Murara Kibaso niga mochire serikali aso gutumeka basayobe na baguturwani mega na gutabarika basa engana yewo gusirwa na Dr. Joseph Birundu kurekera okyobochumba sebunge ya Nyaribari chache.
Recently we had the graduation of army officers from the college ya Wanajeshi. And from Bonchari here, I want to ask you, did you get anybody from Bonchari here who got an opportunity to be an army officer? 5,000 people graduated in this country and no young person got a job. Now you should know this, ladies and gentlemen. These parents, they work very hard to take us to school. They sell land, they sell cows, and we go to school, we get certificates to come and be idle. That is why young people are available to be misused and used as goons.
Abeirega koragumono Nyaribari na Bonchari na bosoroire abana ba minto kibesa kirimo kwewunga mutiko bagunzi muita ba mino kaki kigikerie mu basako bwata kibesa cyo guita abantu ba mino
Waigo Kibaso niga mochire nkwana yomonagerebwe bunge nene muske Moses Wetangura buri tikoregaro asokwena na maoko yo kurikaba orokia ATSC maminchaneri chiko.
Yesterday I had the Speaker of the National Assembly Moses Wetangula saying without any shame that he has taken member of parliament to State House and they were given letters for Teacher Service Commission for employment as teachers. This employment by politicians by an independent commission that is independent by the Constitution, that is being sold by members of parliament at a cost of 500, 600 and 700,000. Na wajumbe ambao wanapewa hizi mabarua na Teacher Service Commission ambayo kisheria is independent. Mimi nataka kusema nikiwa hapa Bonchari hiyo ujinga ikwishe kabisa.
Serikali yeye igego chaga ya tongaina but development teyo. Nere sama gaseti. Igo yani gewote yabanga tukiendelea hivi kama nchi. Corruption yegandate Kenya.
Nigabara yabo balireira yogusukumosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i amone kiama gya Jubilee.
Fred Okengo Matiang'i momo nyoleta mangana correct education Mwamo rotare akararenge interior ta koleta mangana toise como veke keroke kerta akara mangana wada ango wanta mwelemo kasongo asiko tumoino wanta
abakamba babate karofu aba ikoyo babate katewa aba ruya babate sufuna kwaba kusindo ndabata Matiang'i
Asubaigo bagikirie gochecherwa na baraiba serikali ase baganire maskani asaba na inchi
akimota getemana terubo sokuga igonte yumo swati oliyo mintege ntokeria aleta tinta ituge kwana ninganji ta maskani akoreki
alafu muri geretia baraka na baro bataka irichiange chitwale tene tunechimbe Ge ba minute buna baga ka basinyiwe ga sia baga ka mwasinyi ko kana bangi na baina bintebyo. Abangi na beka abantu babota bango mutwali babakonye matianyi power.
Abanjali n'abantu abangai yani mumanye kolete rukisuruwali kama kolete rwamasi.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurega Nyamokenya nsemo ya ebunge ya Bonchari kaunti ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.